All right, guys, it's reached that point of the day where we're hot, we're tired, we feel like cattle, tourist cattle. I saw this place. First thing I noticed is that the gelato were in mountains. Not a good sign. That's for the amateur gelato connoisseur. At this point, I consider myself a bit of a gelato sommelier. Would you say that, Nick? Know what a sommelier is? No, that doesn't matter then.
Welcome to the Gelato 500, where we search for the best gelato in all of Italy. Join us on a trip to the birthplace of the Renaissance and gelato, Florence. Bridges connect us from here to there. They can take several forms. A bridge can be a railway connecting distant places. Some people say that the internet itself is a modern kind of bridge. It connects people and ideas across time and space, just like this video is connecting to you right now. Or sometimes a bridge is just a bridge. Perhaps one of the most famous bridges in the world is the Ponte Vecchio in Florence. It crosses the Arno River, connecting one side of the city to the other. Be it physical or hypothetical, a bridge is a place where people meet. They funnel us into a shared space, regardless of where you're coming from or where you're going. Bridges are important. Building a bridge is a difficult endeavor, requiring resources, thought, and effort. But once the work is done, they make life easier. A bridge can also be a relationship which connects people together, like the relationship between a father and son. Physical bridges require upkeep and maintenance. Relationship bridges also require maintenance and nurturing. Without it, they start to crumble. They say don't burn your bridges, because like a real bridge, trust is hard to rebuild.
Okay, Gelato 500, looking for the best gelato in all of Italy. Florence, we're by the Ponte Vecchio, the old bridge. Let me tell you, am I centered? I see the lens going that way. I know it has a mind of its own. All right, guys, it's reached that point of the day where we're hot, we're tired, we feel like cattle, tourist cattle. I saw this place. First thing I noticed is that the gelato were in mountains. Not a good sign. That's for the amateur gelato connoisseur. At this point, I consider myself a bit of a gelato sommelier. Would you say that, Nick? Know what a sommelier is? No, that doesn't matter then. Anyhow, here we go. Right off the bat, I'm not pleased with this experience. Lift the camera up a little higher, Nick. The gelato is nuclear green. Oh, there's only pistachio. No, okay. We have baseline flavors on this channel. Chocolate and pistachio. I ordered chocolate pistachio small. This is the smallest that they come in. And for €6.50, which is an outrage, you get one flavor. I haven't tasted this yet, but already has several knocks against it. The tourist trap, the mountain, the color, the price. Even if this were good, I don't think I could give it a good score at this point. All right, folks, this is the fake shit. This is the fake shit. It's too sweet. It doesn't have a nice natural pistachio flavor. Color's too bright. They add colors to it. I feel like I've been hosed. I'm not gonna have any more. What a waste of money. All right. Of course, this is our fault, Nick. We're in the tourist trap area. We did it to ourselves. But I see gelato, I gotta review it. That's just the way it goes. All right. So flavor, 4 out of 10. Texture, it feels like it's from a mix. I could almost taste like the powderiness to it. 3 out of 10. I think on vibe, even though we're by the Ponte Vecchio, the old bridge, just for how rammed this place is with tourists and how long I waited for a gelato in there, the experience is horrible. I'm going 1 out of 10. So what's my score? Do you remember? I'm just so livid, I can't even remember. 441?
Was it?
Is it 441? Texture? Did I go? Okay, let me do that again. Taste, 4. Was it 4? Fuck. Taste 4. I don't care at this point. Taste 4, texture 4, ambiance 1. Goddamn, that's a 9 out of 30. Know what that is, Nick? That's a shit score. That's what that is. 3? Whatever. We'll put it at the bottom. Cafe Ponte Vecchio. Save your money. This is going in the trash. Right.
Hey, you made it to the end. Like and subscribe to join us on more gelato adventures. Leave a comment about your favorite gelato shop.